How to pin a note on Google Keep Notes. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pin a note on Google Keep Notes easy and fast in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is go to Keep Notes. Now this is the note that I want to pin. Click on it and you will find this icon right here. Click on it like this. And now go out, and here is it. And if you want to unpin it, just click again on it and click on the pin icon right here, and it's unpinned. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until the end, see you later.